So here I picked up a Amazon Essentials men's quarter zip French rib sweater. Basically, it's a very comfortable men's pullover sweater. Now I got this so to complement my look at the tennis club, and this is one of the sweaters that I picked up. And right off the bat, as soon as you pull it out the bag, you know it's going to be comfortable. As soon as I threw it on, and with the zipper, it makes taking it on and off pretty simple. The comfort of the sweater, not only is it warm, but it is comfortable. It has a nice stretch material, and it has a nice length with little details like the little seam gap on the sides, and very comfortable collar that can be zipped all the way up. And this could even be an active sweater, just a good looking stylish sweater to match with a ton of outfits. Goes good with jeans, goes good with chino pants, and it just looks real good. And most important, it's one of those sweaters that feels great and you want to wear all the time.